Understanding Vehicle Restoration, a beginner's guide. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to dive into a fascinating topic: vehicle restoration. Whether you're a car enthusiast or just curious about English phrases, this video will help you understand what vehicle restoration means and why it's important. So, let's get started and explore this exciting journey together. Vehicle restoration is the process of repairing and refurbishing a vehicle to bring it back to its original, or sometimes better, condition. This can involve a wide range of activities, from minor repairs to complete overhauls. The goal is to restore the vehicle's appearance and functionality, making it look and run as it did when it was first made, or even improving it with modern technology. Restoration can apply to cars, motorcycles, buses, and trucks, embracing both aesthetic and mechanical rejuvenation. There are several types of vehicle restoration, each with its own focus and goals. 1. Cosmetic restoration focuses on improving the vehicle's appearance, involving tasks like painting, dent removal, and interior refurbishment. 2. Mechanical restoration aims to get the vehicle running smoothly again, which can include engine rebuilds, transmission repairs, and suspension upgrades. 3. Full restoration combines both cosmetic and mechanical aspects, aiming to return the vehicle to its original state, or even better. 4. Custom restoration modifies the vehicle to the owner's specific tastes, which might include modern upgrades and personal touches that deviate from the original design. Vehicle restoration is important for several reasons. Preservation of history. It helps preserve the history and heritage of vintage and classic vehicles, keeping the legacy of automotive design and engineering alive. Personal satisfaction. Many people find joy and a sense of accomplishment in restoring and owning a piece of automotive history. Environmental impact. Restoring an old vehicle can be more environmentally friendly than manufacturing a new one, as it reduces the need for new resources. Increased value. Restored vehicles can significantly increase in value, making them not just a hobby but a potential investment. Vehicle restoration can be a challenging and time-consuming process. It requires skill and knowledge, understanding of automotive repair and restoration techniques, patience and time. Some restorations can take years to complete. Financial investment. Restoration can be expensive, involving the cost of parts, tools, and sometimes professional services. Thank you for joining us to explore the world of vehicle restoration. We hope this video has given you a clear understanding of what vehicle restoration entails, its importance, and the joy it can bring to those who undertake it. Whether you're a language learner looking to expand your vocabulary or a car enthusiast curious about restoration, remember that learning is a journey, and every step is an achievement. See you in our next video, and happy learning!